everyone, my name is Victoria. Today I would like to show you this hair dryer. Let me open the box and then I will try it. It will be a great idea as a present. So it comes with two different nozzles, brushing for straightening hair, super lightweight, magnetic, and of course inside we have instruction. Alright, I love this long cable. Here's their on and off bottom. As well, you can adjust the speed level and you can adjust the temperature level. Magnetic nozzles. And right here you can clean your hair dryer after using. I just washed my hair, so first I'm gonna dry without nozzle. At the bottom you can adjust the speed and temperature. So lightweight and super powerful, and I love this magnetic nozzle, so you can switch it. Super easy to change it. Right, I'm gonna divide my hair into two sections and wow, so cool. I love this hair dryer. It's dried my hair super fast and my hair looks so shiny and super soft. It's not overheating the hair, and plus you can always adjust the temperature. And I'm gonna change to cold. Perfect. It took me a couple minutes to dry this part. Super powerful. And this part I'm gonna dry separately. So beautiful volume in a couple seconds. And this is my result. Hair looks so shiny, voluminous, lightweight. How it looks like from the back. Love it. So guys, I will send this hair dryer for review and I will definitely recommend you to buy it. Great quality, lightweight, so easy to use. So you can adjust speed level, temperature level, and it comes with two different nozzles for straight hair and for brushing for curly hair. You can always find it on Amazon.